What are the three basic coverages for medical expense insurance? You may have heard of medical expense insurance, but do you know what it covers? In fact, there are three main coverages for medical expense insurance: hospitalization, doctor's appointments, and medication. Here are more details on each. Hospitalization. This coverage includes any expenses that your company might incur while you are hospitalized. For example, you could be charged for room and board, transport to the hospital, and even any necessary testing or treatment. Doctor's appointments. This coverage includes any expenses that your doctor might charge you for. For example, your doctor might charge you for tests or treatments that you would not normally receive as a patient. Medication. This coverage includes any expenses that your company might incur while taking medications. For example, your company might pay for your medications even if they don't work well. What is medical expense insurance? Medical expense insurance is a type of coverage that your company pays for when you or any members of your family fall ill or have to visit a doctor. Basically, the insurance covers the costs and fees that a patient would usually pay out of pocket if they couldn't afford them. It can be helpful for small companies that don't have employees with health insurance because it allows them to cover their employees and help them get through difficult times. In this video, we'll discuss what medical expense insurance is and how to get it for your company. What coverages are included in medical expense insurance? Hospitalization, room and board, transport to the hospital, necessary testing or treatment, doctor's appointments, tests and treatments your doctor might charge you for that you would not normally receive as a patient. If a doctor charges you for a service that is not covered under your company's insurance policy, the company will reimburse you up to $1,000. Medication. Anything related to your medications. For example, if your medication costs $200 per month, they may cover it while you are on leave from work. What are the three main coverages for medical expense insurance? Hospitalization. This coverage includes any expenses that your company might incur while you are hospitalized. For example, you could be charged for room and board, transport to the hospital, and even any necessary testing or treatment. Doctor's appointments. This coverage includes any expenses that your doctor might charge you for. For example, your doctor might charge you for tests or treatments that you would not normally receive as a patient. Medication. This coverage includes any expenses that your company might incur while taking medications. For example, your company might pay for your medications even if they don't work well. How does medical expense insurance work? But how does this insurance work? Do you know what the coverage is like? Medical expense insurance works similarly to how health insurance works. When you sign up for a medical expense policy, your company pays a certain amount of money on your behalf. This money will cover whatever expenses are necessary for your company in the event that you are hospitalized or need to visit a doctor's office. The coverage will also help provide you with medications if they're needed. There are three categories of medical expense policies: term, temporary, and permanent medical expense insurance policies. Term. These plans last for 1 year and are renewable after that time period. Temporary. These plans last for 12 months and can be renewed at any point during the year. Permanent. These plans last until the policyholder dies or their company stops offering the benefit. What are the benefits of having medical expense insurance? Medical expense insurance protects your company against the potential costs that might arise from medical emergencies. It also provides liability protection for your business and its employees in case an accident or injury occurs. Importantly, medical expense insurance can be very affordable. This type of coverage is convenient to have because it's easy to purchase either through an insurance policy or as a rider on a traditional health plan. With all these benefits, it's clear why having medical expense insurance is important for your business. How does medical expense insurance protect you? Medical expense insurance is designed to protect your company from financial burdens when unexpected expenses arise. The three main coverages of medical expense insurance help you save money by providing coverage for these types of expenses. This type of insurance works similarly to any other form of insurance. 1. The more you put into the program, the higher your reimbursement will be. 2. You'll be covered for a set amount of time, which is the length of your plan. 3. You will only have to pay a percentage or deductible for any expenses that are not covered by the health plan. In turn, this type of insurance can protect your company from financial burdens when unexpected expenses arise and help you save money in the long run by providing coverage for doctor's appointments, hospitalization, and medication. What are some common mistakes people make when shopping for medical expense insurance? Are you shopping for medical expense insurance and not sure what to ask about? You might want to keep these common mistakes in mind when you get ready to shop for an insurance policy. Not asking about how long the coverage lasts. It is important to know how long the coverage will last and what it covers because different policies have different limitations. Neglecting deductible. A deductible is an amount that you have to pay before your insurance company starts paying out health-related expenses. For example, if you have a $500 deductible, then your company would pay nothing until you paid out $500 worth of expenses. This means that as soon as you reach the deductible, insurance premiums start. When calculating a deductible, be sure to think about what your business will spend on overtime so that you can budget accordingly and won't end up spending more than necessary. Thank you for watching.